Hello, welcome to everyone. Today we are going to see the pseudo force. We have seen the video of the four fundamental forces of nature. In that video, I will tell you to find out which kind of the pseudo force is. Before going further, we have to understand what is a pseudo force. Pseudo force is a kind of force that is not direct forces, but we can feel that force in a certain frame of reference. Let's understand how these forces is created. This force is created into accelerating frame of reference. When a frame of reference is accelerating with another non-accelerating frame of reference, these forces is observed. Let's understand how these forces has been created in that frame of reference. When some body or frame of reference move with another frame of reference, let's assume that this is at a rest position and starting to accelerate. So at this moment, this person has a zero velocity. This is zero velocity, but when it's starting to moving, the person's one property that is called inertia. Inertia is a property due to mass. Its inertia means that changes of motions. So when this body is try to moving or accelerate, the inertia of that person resist to change of its motion. So what this person does? So this person is developed a force into this chair. This force is a contact force type in nature. So according to Newton third law, this chair is try to develop the equal force on that person. So these persons feel that chair is pushing me in front. So we call this as a pseudo force. Now we understand how the pseudo force is created, and this pseudo force is developed or filled by contact force. So we can say that the pseudo force in this case is a electromagnetic force, because contact force is a type of electromagnetic force. But in all case we can't say that pseudo force is a electromagnetic force. But in situation we have to analysis this type of cases. By that analysis we can say that pseudo force is electromagnetic force for particular that case. Why I need to put this video? Because whenever you are analysis any case, you are dealing with various kind of forces, and you have to analysis that and find out which type of nature of forces is acting on that body. By analysis of that, you find out the nature of force. By finding the nature of force, you can easily understand this whole scenario and do your calculation. So thank you. Let's meet up in the next video.